October 30th. About 36 degrees, nice cold fronts moving in. Beautiful pressure tonight at about 30.1. Already had a small doe out in front of me when I got set up here, so I went to the other side of our property, pulled the chips, and just hadn't have a lot of activity over there, so I rerouted to another northwest wind stand and just got set up. It's about 4:30. Pretty good scrape line coming in behind me on the way in, and a doe down here on her feet already. So one day before Halloween, we are in peak daytime movement, and something's got to give here very soon. Get some of these bigger bucks on their feet chasing these does. So definitely gonna hear them coming tonight. Leaves on the ground, nice cool breeze. Should be a great night. So this is your Michigan Madness Report. We are counting down the days here in Michigan, leaving for Ohio here in about 5 days. So if we want to do it with a bow, we got to do it now. Tick, 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 tick. Beautiful little scrub oak stand here. They use this to come out of the bedding. Well, that was a close encounter. That buck was slipping down the end of this trail right here at about 45 yards. He was about to get to the backside of my wind, so I hit the grunt tube, and he turned right on a dime and came back into that opening that you see right down there. But I don't know if he caught my wind, or I did put some Black Widow scents out. Maybe he caught that and didn't like it or something. So he slipped back up in here, so I'm hoping maybe a doe will bring him back out. He's a good buck, probably a shooter from Michigan. So I might give it another 20 minutes and tickle the horns or do something just to see if I can get him to come out. So I don't know what happened there, but close encounter with a good buck. He was up on his feet at like 4:30. I just got done doing my intro. He was out and about, so it's been about an hour now, so whew, that was close. Matt. low camera light there. And I was fumbling with this camera to try to get it on him. He came in pushing that doe. He came in first and then he took back off, and I'm like, he's gone again. That's that same buck we saw earlier, right when we got in here. I put him right on that 25-yard pin, so, or in between my 20 and my 30, but that's a good buck. That's a good Michigan buck. So yeah, Michigan man is out here. I'm gonna give him some time, and it's a Friday night buck. Doesn't get any better than that, so. I stayed patient all night. I knew he was in there. I was quiet. I grunted, I rattled, but it was actually that doe that brought him back out, so yeah, baby. Whew. Beautiful night. We're gonna give him some time. I'm pretty sure I hit him hard. Right behind the front shoulder, so. Michigan Man is outdoors. We'll get you the recovery.
Hey, Michigan Madness just got to the scene of the crime here, and it's nothing but bloodshed. We are seeing a little bit of white hair on the backside, but we got a carpet going out here. It hit him hard. He didn't go. He dropped straight down, and I think it's all good. So Carnage City right here, Michigan Madness Outdoors, quartering away, and I think we got a pass through, or at least a hard opposite shoulder. So let's follow along. Still following good blood here. I think he's going to be right down in this low spot here, right in the holler.
Right here, boy.
Got him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good heavy buck.
Oh yeah.
Nice buck.
Good buck. Ooh, I did. I hit him right there, zero too. But that's a perfect angle. Oh yeah.
He's been dead a while.
Yep. Someone grab that from me.
Nice.
It's definitely old laid back 10. For sure. We know this buck well. Got a couple good cam pics of them. That's a good healthy 3.5-year-old deer right there. Call him laid back. He's got a nice little kicker there. This is your Michigan Swamp Report. It's always interesting trying to find them, but I think that's a good Michigan buck. Good 8-inch 2s, probably 7-inch 3s on them. Not gonna score a ton, but for Michigan, we take it. Grim Reaper did the work. He was a heavy quartering away. Obviously, I think I hit that opposite shoulder, which is exactly what you want to do. It looks like a good 3.5-year-old deer. Michigan Madness Outdoors is stoked with this one. Go to Ohio in 5 days. I got the tracking crew down in the Swaller and the Holler with me right now. That's a big Michigan buck right there. We'll take him all day long. Good footage of him. Yay, yay! Now we celebrate. Friday night buck with a couple of beers. And the lights come on. Yeah.